The hip hook is designed to release tension in both the psoas and the iliacus muscle. And to be able to use the hip hook, you need to first find where those muscles are located, right next to this bone in the front of your hip. So when you lie down on your side, you can find those bones by putting your hands on your hips and bringing your fingertips towards the front. You'll find this little bone that sticks out right here. Right inside there's a little squishy spot, that's where your iliacus and psoas lives. So you can place the tip of the hip hook right there and roll on top of it. Another way is you can position the hip hook on the ground and then place your body on top of it. Oh, it feels so good. So in this position, with the handle up, you're getting at the psoas muscle, and you might want to give yourself at least 30 to 90 seconds to release tension there. Then after that, you're a little bit more relaxed, you can push on the lever, which is going to rotate the hip hook and the tip to be able to put pressure on that inside bone of your pelvis where your iliacus lives. And this is where the magic happens. It feels amazing. So from this position, you can slowly let up and roll off of the hip hook and reposition it a little bit further down or a little bit further up, depending on where your muscle is tight. Your iliacus muscle is the size of your hand. It's like this big. So there's a lot of real estate for you to work on. And just by rotating it a little bit and working on pressing on the lever or maybe bringing it down a little bit more, you're gonna be able to find some really juicy spots. I can't wait for you to try the hip hook and see what it does for you in terms of your recovery and your performance. And our team of specialists are here to support you throughout the journey. So don't feel alone. Reach out to us with any questions. We're here for you.